I'm gonna show you how to set up a Skool community. You can build a free community on Skool app, and then you can turn it into paid members as well, or even a paid one directly. But in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to set up all the settings, I'll give you an insight of how it looks like, how it all works. The first things first, if you want to open up a Skool community here, you can create it, right? You will need to be paying $99 per month. So for each community that you have, you need to be paying $100 a month, but you are getting 2 weeks trial. Down below, I'm giving you my links through which you can get the 14 days trial right now, and if you're gonna use my link, you are supporting me as well. I'm gonna get a little bit of an affiliate commission. We will make sure that when you are creating an account to start your Skool community, you will want to make sure that you can see my face up here. Don't start your Skool community without having any kind of referral that you are going through in here. You would want to see me, and if you gonna subscribe through me in here, you can be part of my special support group of people who I guide through this experience, because I really want to help you. If you go into the Skool through me, I will want to make sure that you succeed so you can stay on Skool, you can get your membership to 10, 15, 20, 30 people, and you are making all of this money back, right? So if you're gonna register for Skool, make sure that you were referred by myself here. Find the link down below this video and register for 2-week trial for Skool through that link, or DM me if you need guidance and if you have any questions about that. After you're gonna land in, you're gonna go through certain settings. You're gonna have 2 levels of settings. One is your personal profile settings, and the other one is your group settings. You will want to go through both of those settings individually, right? So you're gonna go to your profile settings first. Try to fill it in as much as you can. Put your bio here so people will be able to know who you are and they're gonna know you. Put your social links down here, your website, your Instagram, your YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or whatever else, right? So you actually can get people to those places as well. They can check you out, and then your membership visibility should be turned on here. That's all good. And then down further here, check these settings, notifications, check community. It's nothing too special there that you would need to fix at the moment. You can see all of the things that you will want to see later in here, but what I need you to go back to your community and go to the settings of your group, right? Because here is a few things that you will want to set up, right? You're gonna have your dashboard. I'm not collecting internal payments at the moment, so nothing is here. You can invite people to come, right? You also can click here to get an invite link to share. This is the link that you will want to give people to, so they will click on it and join your community, right? So if I'm you, what I did myself was I saved this into my bookmarks here, right? That link that I always give to people, hey, join my group. That's quite an important element to all of this, right? You're gonna continue, fill these general settings in completely, your logo and your cover photo, your name, and your group description, color, initials. This group is private. I keep it private so it's not accessible to everyone, because I want to have a private community. Now here in the subscriptions, you will create a free plan if you want to run a free community. If not, if you want to charge people, you're gonna create a new plan, call it 99 a month or 67 a month or whatever, and then you're gonna need to make it primary, make it current, so that's the differentiator between your group being free or your group being paid. My current price is free because I am running a free community. Later on, I'm gonna create another paid community when the time is right. So I'm gonna have free community and a paid community. I'll have both, but right now I can collect them via Stripe, via other platform called System.me. I'm gonna show you how that's integrated later on. But then you're gonna continue. You're gonna want to create a few categories here. Let me show you why, right? These are these categories here into which people can post, right? So that's these categories. I created wins, general, course, Q&A section, recordings, introduce yourself in this section here, content feedback, case studies, right? So I created these categories into which people can post here. You're gonna want to set up a few plugins. I have membership questions on, right? So these are the 3 questions that I have set up myself. So when people come into my free group, I collect their emails and I see whatever they say, so I can message them then and talk with them, and I enroll them as my paid customers as well. I will give you examples of these 3 questions as well. I might just give them to you right now, and this is how this is gonna work. People will come in, for example, I'm gonna log in with my other test account, and these are the 3 questions that come up for people when they're entering, right? I tell them, what type of coach are you? I ask them about that, and I ask them for their email so I can send them an email lead magnet and instructions of this community too. And how do you currently work with clients, right? They need to select something. So this is how I get people's emails, and I ask them certain questions so I can engage with them later on. I could ask them here that question that sounds more like, hey, I'm running weekly group calls as well. Would you want to know more about them as well? And people could say yes. I will shift one of these questions, and I'm actually going to ask people that question. So if they say yes, I can get them to my Zoom calls, into my paid membership as well. I can go and talk to them, get them into my paid membership, because my weekly Zoom calls are paid group calls, right? So that question could be put here as well. At the moment it's not, but yeah, that's how this works. I want you to set up these questions, right? Ask people for their email and ask them in which situation they are at right now and so on. So that's something that you're gonna do here in the plugins section. Then the second thing that you will do is you're gonna connect Skool to Zapier, right? How this works is, if you want to do any automations, right, you're gonna click edit here, you're gonna get this API key from Skool, and then you're gonna want to go to Zapier and put this API key from Skool in there, right? That's how you're gonna connect Skool with Zapier, and then in Zapier you can do all sorts of automations. I'm gonna show you that later on, right? So just know that you need to turn this on as well, and know that you want to go to Zapier to do all of those things there then, right? And connect Skool to it. Another thing that I set up here in the plugins is auto DM new members. I'm gonna adjust my DM in soon, but what I get people to do here is I say hello to them and I give them the first step of what they should watch, right? What should they click on? And I tell them that they should add their Skool app to their phone by visiting this link and completing the few tasks there, right? So I want to make sure when people come to my Skool that they download their Skool app to their phone, so they can actually see the notifications then on their phone. That's quite important, right? Because if they just become a Skool member, they will get an email here and there from you, but if they didn't bookmark it on web browser, or if they don't have it on their phone yet, they're not gonna see that many notifications from you. So I urge them that they start downloading the app to their phone, so whenever I post, people get like this Skool notification, and then they are always like poked, hey, come in, let's participate, let's hang out, right? So anyway, then we have the metrics gamification. You can select here what is that they're gonna get at certain levels. I'm not gonna go into this that much right now. You can figure that out on your own, and so on. So you can also create a few links here that actually will appear here, and people can click on those. I have removed mine. I had one usually, hey, upgrade here, but I removed that so it doesn't look very salesy at the moment. I just want this community to participate and engage well. So these are those few first settings that I needed to overview with you. Now, the next thing that you will need to do is fill Skool with content, right? There are a few things that you will want to put on Skool before you start accepting members, right? Of course, the description, the card for, and those kind of things, but then potentially you would want to write at least one or whatever valuable post here, or whatever, you would just post it, but you're gonna also want to write this kind of welcome post to people, right? You will want to welcome everyone to the group. I just recorded my welcome video here today. I need to put it here as well, but what I do in this welcome post is that I welcome everyone and I tell them, add the Skool app to your mobile phone and introduce yourself under this post, and start by watching these videos here. I point them to my classroom so they get a little educated already ahead of time right now. So you want to write this welcome post. So if you have posted this here now, you could record also a video you taking people through and explaining them and saying hi to them, right? I will put my own video. I just recorded today, so that's why it's not here yet. You're gonna simply click edit and you're gonna just add a video, add a YouTube link video here, right? Unlisted video. And so that's one thing you wanna do. That's that thing. Now, also in the classroom area, you would want to give them something to study, right? So you will want to give them any kind of free video masterclass here for free, right? And you can upload courses that they need to pay for as well, or also you can give them any courses for free here, right? So you have some guidelines of what people should go through when they join your program here, right? For example, I give them here away my free masterclass 20-minute video where I show them in 20 minutes how I built my first membership, right? It's kind of slides, right? I recorded pretty cool video here. And this gives them an idea as well of how my programs and my courses work, right? Then I gave everyone away my 2 courses here away for free, through which they can go through and they can complete so they can build their own membership, right? So you want to put some material there as well, either free or paid. Think about what you can give away for free and what you're gonna give away for free. Work on that, build your classroom area, and then now you're gonna be able to accept new members. If you're enjoying this course here on my YouTube channel, and if you would like to be part of my or our private free community, you can find the link down below and you can join to my Skool community, where you can keep going through this course and you can be part of the community who is going through this course, and you can ask me questions in there and we can hang out. And another thing, if you ever want to use a Skool app to build your own community membership through it, I have an affiliate link through which you can use, and I can be paid from you using Skool. And if you're gonna ever use my affiliate link, I'm gonna coach you for free. We will make sure that when you are creating an account to start your Skool community, you will want to make sure that you can see my face up here. Don't start your Skool community without having any kind of referral that you are going through in here. You would want to see me, and if you're gonna subscribe through me in here, you can be part of my special support group of people who I guide through this experience, because I really want to help you. If you go into the Skool through me, I will want to make sure that you succeed so you can stay on Skool, you can get your membership to 10, 15, 20, 30 people, and you are making all of this money back. So find the affiliate link down below and I will see if you used it. And also, when you get into my free community and if you used my affiliate link, make sure that you DM me so we can make that connection and I can start meeting with you as my affiliate partner as well, and so on.